everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. On my channel, I mainly talk about luxury handbags, fashion, and beauty. Anyone who knows me knows that I love a good handbag, and today I'm going to be talking about what's inside of the handbag that I've been carrying so much this month. This month, I've been using my Louis Vuitton Graffiti Speedy 30 in the khaki color. This year, I'm going to really make an effort to use the handbags that I already own. And so I bought this handbag last year and it's over 20 years old. It is vintage and I love her. I feel like this is similar to a Neverfull where you just keep putting things inside and it just never gets full. This handbag feeds all of my bag lady tendencies. So let's start off with what is on the outside. So first of all, I just have a couple of chains that I bought off of Amazon. This is a pearl chain, and this is actually a inspired Coach chain that I've been using on my Empire 28 handbag. And if you can see closely, it has that trademark Coach symbol of the horse and carriage. And then this is just a lips charm. You know how you can use your points to get a free gift from Sephora. I got this along with a little pouch. And then on the handle, this is just a Louis Vuitton Steven Spruce leopard print scarf. All right, let's see what is inside. So as you can see, this is full to capacity. It has all of the things inside of it that I've been using over the last month. At the very top is my phone, of course, for easy access. And then my dusty, trusty water bottle. I'm still using a Swell water bottle. I haven't converted to the Stanley just because this is so slim and compact. I think it holds like 16 ounces of water and it fits most of my larger handbags. And then a small umbrella because I live in a rainy climate. And since this does have some vachetta on it, I want to make sure that if I'm out and about and it starts raining, I want to protect my handbag so that the vachetta doesn't get any rain spots on it. And in that same vein, I also carry around the original dust bag that the handbag came with, because if it does rain, I put this inside of the dust bag so that it protects the vachetta. And I've had to do that a couple of times and it works great. I've been using my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet in this handbag. And I just have some of my major essential cards like my license, my debit card, credit card, my Nordstrom card. I consider that essential. And like my medical card and then some cash. I don't know if I have any change in here. Probably. Oh, I do have a little bit of change in the zipper compartment. Sometimes I'll have receipts in here, but for some reason I've developed a bad habit of keeping my receipts in this back pocket back here. I usually put them in my wallet so that I know where they are. If I have to return something, they're usually in my wallet. But like I said, it's a bad habit keeping them in this back pocket. So just some random receipts, a Costco receipt, a random food receipt from a fast food place. We have an Ulta receipt and a receipt from Total Wine. So as you can see, the last week I've been eating and drinking, okay? And I've been using my Louis Vuitton cosmetic purse for the last month. Review coming soon. But I'll show you what I've been carrying inside of here. I just have a little Gold Bond healing lotion in aloe. Don't judge me. I know that old people use this, but this is so good for the winter time. It will keep your hands moisturized and soft. So don't sleep on Gold Bond lotion. And then I have some Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. And this is in the, y'all, I can't read this. It's the pink one. I don't have my reading glasses, so I don't know what the scent is or the flavor is. But it will keep your lips very moisturized in the winter weather. In that same vein, this Clarins lip oil will also keep your lips very soft and moisturized. I love this in the wintertime in the drier months. Okay, and the lipstick that I've been wearing for the last few days is MAC, and I think this is Velvet Teddy. No, this is Warm Teddy. And this is what it looks like. I think I like this one better than Velvet Teddy, at least for my color, my complexion. It's a very warm, neutral color. And then I have a perfume in here. This is by Rado Blanche. And this is a very floral, clean scent. I like wearing this in the wintertime because it reminds me of like cold, snowy weather, if that makes sense. I know a lot of people like wearing warm scents like vanilla in the wintertime, but sometimes I like a good cold scent. Like, I feel very like an ice queen when I wear this. And then my AirPods are in here as well as a little pill case. Alrighty. And then I just have my Gucci key clay. And it just has a bunch of gift cards in here that I'm trying to make an effort to use. And then I have a pair of flip-flops because I got a pedicure the other day and I forgot to take them out. These are my Havaianas and I love these so much. I always get compliments on these because they're so sparkly. And then this is the notebook I've been carrying around. Keep calm and listen to Janet Jackson. My cousin got this for me. She knows I love Janet Jackson, or I used to love Janet Jackson back in the day. Ooh, at the very bottom, I have a couple of snacks. So some pistachios and Trader Joe's chocolate chip granola bar. And they come in clutch when you're out and about running errands or just, living life and you get hungry, your energy gets low. They're only 100 calories and they're good. And then this month, I've been carrying around my Louis Vuitton medium key pouch. And it has a bunch of stuff in it. So let's take a look. I've been keeping my keys on the key ring. My glasses, I just keep them in this soft case because it's lightweight. And I just need something to protect the lenses from getting scratched. My Touchland hand sanitizer. Oh, I have this Dr. Teal's aromatherapy room spray. And I put this in here because I think, yeah, it was last weekend that I stayed. We had a little staycation in a hotel. And so sometimes when I travel, I like to use this to spray around the room in case there's any unwanted odors. You can also spray this like on your bedding. So this is really good. This is the Sleep Wellness Spray in the lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood scent. Very nice. Helps you fall asleep. I have some Kleenex. I've been having the sniffles this winter. Oh, so this is an electronic hand warmer and charger. My hands are always cold, so I like having this with me. It heats up in seconds and it keeps my hands so warm. It came in a pack of 2, but I just carry one around and I can just wrap my hands around it and my hands will get warm. It also serves as a phone charger. So it serves a dual purpose. It keeps my hands warm and my phone charged. And then we have a pack of gum and a pen. I really like this pen. It's so like sleek, gray and sleek. I like carrying this inside larger handbags because if I'm going somewhere where I don't need to take a larger handbag inside with me, I can just pull this out and put in my phone and my wallet, and my keys are already on here and whatever other essentials I need, and just take this inside and like have it as a little clutch maybe. Okay, so that was everything that was inside of this bag. Isn't it such a clown car? Like, I just kept pulling things out of it and it was like never ending, but it did come to an end. That's also the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you thought this was helpful and you enjoyed it, you might also enjoy this next video, and I'll see you over there. Bye.